Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings to everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So now situation on the gold market stands a bit different compared to what we discussed recently. And if you remember, yesterday we talked about possible starting of the downward action here, because by our analysis, market has completed everything that was needed to reverse downward action in the market. And as we suggest that, or better to say, if we suggest that market stands bearish, it should turn down somewhere in this area, because take a look, market has completed XLP. This XLP stands in agreement with the 1307 fib level. So it creates an agreement, and that theoretically should be enough to hold any retracement on the bearish market. So retracements are rather deep. Reaction on the minor COP target was significant, and indeed market initially has started this action down. But if we will take a look at the situation that stands on hourly chart, the price action that we saw here doesn't correspond to the idea of the reversal. It was too lazy, too slow action with a lot of the pullbacks, and that has warned me a bit later in the session yesterday. So personally, I have traded this as follows. So on the hourly chart, when the market has hit the major XOP, I have taken short on the minor retracement here, and holds position for the 2 sessions. When market starts dropping here, I moved up to the break even. But later, just a few hours later, I was stopped out. So this is, guys, not a normal reaction on reaching of the XOP right in the major resistance. And it means that currently it could be so that market just really continue move higher. So at least it means that now it's not the moment for taking the short position. To do this, we need to get clear bearish reversal pattern. So something should be formed here. So yes, we have this free drive. If you have taken short position, that's great. You could just move stops to the break even and see what will happen. But to speak about the major reversal, major drop, so it seems that we need something greater, because the reaction on the market on the major resistance with no reversal at the point where it should happen, at least following the normal principles of the technical analysis, and the rally above the XOP following this upward action in this channel, well, this just makes me think that before taking the short, maybe indeed market will continue to move down with our ABCD pattern on the daily, but currently it seems that we need to get some something greater, some more clearer pattern that will suggest real reversal and downward continuation. Currently, with this reaction on the XOP, we do not see it, and probably we need to wait a bit more before we take in the short position. Well, speaking about the taking the long, well, it's a bit tricky moment, but the only pattern that I see here is kind of the channel upside channel. Market is retesting previous stops and coming to the confluence. Well, theoretically, it is possible trying to take the position with the very close stop somewhere below this channel and below these lows, but again, we do not see something really outstanding. So no clear bullish patterns are forming. So maybe it also makes sense to wait a bit and see when the market will break the finally this major 618 resistance there and start climbing higher. Well, maybe this will be more valuable sign taking the long position. But if you would like to, you could try to rely on this support, on the confidence support here is around 1304. Maybe market indeed will hold here in this channel and continue to move higher. It's also possible. But again, the one thing that I really see is that reaction on this area doesn't look bearish and how it should be in the normal circumstances, and that makes me think that market really could try to show upward continuation. So let's see what will happen.